Behind me, we are drilling and installing our first monitoring well for Earth Science Department at Western Oregon University.
The benefit of having a groundwater laboratory on campus is that it will provide students hands-on opportunity for learning about the groundwater environment and the skills and techniques utilized in the fields of hydrogeology.
Hydrogeologic fieldwork is studying the local and regional flow of groundwaters, and this well field will give us a way of peering underneath the earth to see what the natural water flow is in this area of the mid-Willamette Valley.
The groundwater laboratory is going to be comprised of 3 wells that are drilled to a depth of approximately 50 feet, and we are seeking water in the sand and gravel aquifer that we will then monitor over time for water levels and water quality.
Right now, our drilling contractors are putting in the actual well casing. That is a type of clay that will expand when it meets the water, and it'll create a watertight sealant layer around the top portion of the well. After they do the sand, they'll be topping that with a sealing layer in order to only look at a specific section of the subsurface for groundwater purposes. Is the actual well casing. That will be cut off, flush to the ground, and they'll place a concrete monument. And when the Earth Science Department comes back to take water level measurements, they'll run their equipment down through that casing. That casing is the actual well. Currently, I believe that the intent is to do manual water level measurements where you physically come out to the well and you drop down a sensor and it'll tell you what depth the groundwater is at.
This project began 20 years ago, right after I was first employed at Western Oregon University, and has finally come to fruition with effort both with on-campus administrators and our alumni group that supports us.
I am extremely excited to be assisting with this project on campus. Our group has coordinated very closely with the professors and the department in order to make this happen, and we have licensed geologists and alumni here to assist with the project.
And it's quite fitting that we have some beautiful Oregon rain here gracing our presence as we're drilling these holes.
Today's a good day in geology land at Western Oregon University.